Pickleball is the fastest growing sport in the United States, in part because it has a very short learning curve.
This is a brief introduction on how to play pickleball. Pickleball is played on a rectangular 44-foot by 20-foot court. The court is divided into two sides by a low net.
There are two sidelines, two baselines, a center line on each side, as well as two non-volley lines, which create two non-volley zones that are affectionately called the kitchen.
The center line divides each side into two service courts, the left service court and the right service court. Every point begins with a serve. A pickleball serve must be hit underhand from behind the baseline, cross-court into the opposing team's service court. The serve must clear the net and not land in the kitchen. An important rule in pickleball is the double bounce rule. The double bounce rule says the ball must bounce once on each side before either team may start volleying the ball in the air. Here is an example of the serve and bounce rule. When Team A serves to Team B, they must let the ball bounce once before returning the serve. Team A must also let the ball bounce once on their side. After the ball is bounced on both sides, either team may volley the ball into the air or let the ball bounce once before striking it. The rally will continue until one of the teams either hits the ball in the net, out of bounds, or lets the ball bounce on their side twice. A unique but important aspect of pickleball is the non-volley zone or kitchen. Players may not hit the ball while standing in the kitchen unless the ball has already bounced on their side. Pickleball is a fun and exciting sport. Hopefully, this video will give you the knowledge you need to play your first game of pickleball. To learn how pickleball scoring works, go to playpickleball.com